This is my home's hot water heater. It's in a corner of the garage here in this closet. I'm gonna flush it out today. This is the first time I do this ever on this boiler. I don't know why I've been putting it off or haven't been doing it, but you know, I've read estimates that you should do this anywhere from every 1 to 3 years. This boiler is 13 years old and I've never flushed it. So I found the spigot here at the bottom of the tank. Connected an old hose to it, and I'm running it outside, and I'm gonna run it into this this bucket. I'm just kind of curious to see what type of sediment comes out of it, so I ran it into the bucket so I could have some of it collect there. But anyway, let's see what comes out of this thing. Well, that wasn't tight enough. Or that hose is too old. Put some old rags to collect some of that moisture, because that bottom platform is wood. Let's see what's coming out. Yeah, it's pretty filthy and disgusting. And the reason I'm doing this is that last night I noticed the cold water was coming out clear, but the hot water was coming out brown. And you know, usually both come out dirty if there's an issue with the pipes or the city doing something. But there's actually some solid particles in here. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I do this more often. So once I'm done, I'm just going to obviously shut off this valve, disconnect the hose, put the fiberglass back down, and I'm done. So it's a pretty easy process. It really should be done more often. Make sure your hot water comes out clean.